The Cerycose Jigsaw 18V kit is a versatile tool that is compatible with Makita 18V batteries, and it comes with a 5 ampere hour battery and a rapid charging station, ensuring you are always ready for your projects. This jigsaw is powered by a robust brushless motor, delivering 750 watts of power and up to 2,900 revolutions per minute, allowing it to handle tough tasks with ease. With its adjustable base pedal, the jigsaw offers 0 to 45-degree bevel cuts and 3-position orbital action, making it suitable for a range of materials, including wood, soft steel, and plastics. The tool-free blade change feature and built-in safety lock enhance convenience and safety, preventing accidental activation and making blade swaps quick and effortless. Equipped with a transparent dust shroud and an LED work light, this jigsaw ensures clear visibility and precision in dark or dust-prone environments. This comprehensive kit includes multiple T-Shank blades and a screwdriver, making it a reliable choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional craftsmen.